Hey everybody, how you doing today? This is an Olivetti 900X. It's known for its capability to be connected to a computer. This is a Centronics cable with a USB connector. And then I have some other types of type wheels that come with it. So I'm going to test some deckled edge paper. This is this uneven fibrous type of edge. This is cotton paper. We'll test this in the typewriter. So let me get that rolled in there. I'll use the automatic load. All right, that worked pretty well. Okay, so I've got the paper in there. Just move it up a little bit more, and I'm going to write a test. I'm just going to go through and run with the characters and see how this thing performs on cotton paper. So I'm writing this is a test. This is US letter sized paper, and it has an uneven edge. So for paper handling, that's an important thing, is be able to manage this sheet of paper with that uneven edge. So far it seems to be working just fine. Let's go through all the characters on here. We'll just do all the alphanumerics. Okay, we'll do uppercase. All right, what do we see here? All right, no broken type. Seems to work pretty well. Let's do this a different size. So I'm going to pull out the ribbon. Let's pull out the type wheel. So this is 10 CPI, letter Gothic. Actually, it'll work for 12 as well. This here is 15 mini Gothic. So this is the type of size that you can get 15 characters per inch in the Imperial world. Okay, so I'll put that up against there. Let's put the ribbon back in here to do the same test. Oh wow, that works really well. Okay, I'm going to try all the characters again. Forgot one. I'll do the uppercase. All right, let's take a look. So I did the smaller sized type because I want to make sure that it keeps its detail with this cotton paper with all the fibers in it. It's working pretty well. I'm not seeing any broken type anywhere here at all, especially like in these 1/4 and 1/2. The asterisk looks clear, and number sign looks great. The @ symbol looks good. So I'm just looking for really small details. And that's what this 15 CPI does. So this is 10, this is 15. I'm seeing excellent results, except for not so excellent on how I type. That's a mistake. I was typing with mittens. All right, looks pretty good. Let me know what you think.